How long have you been in the business, and do you still enjoy performing? Do you ever get fed up of the hectic lifestyle that is a soca star?
I've been on the live soca stage since '99. So that's how many years? 15?
15?
Nice.
Right,
We have some distinctions in here in math.
Right.
All right. And as far as loving performing, y'all still love me? Well, then I still love to perform then.
Nice. So what's your greatest goal?
I think being a woman in this industry is a disadvantage. I think it should not be that way. But, and it's over 7 albums here, but this year I'm recording my 10th album.
Okay.
Right? And I think I've recorded more albums than any other female in the industry. I've done so much in the industry. I've toured the world, you know, and I think I haven't yet reached my full potential. I don't know what it is, but I'll know when I get there.
Dubai.
Yeah, man.
What was that experience like in Dubai?
It's crazy because somebody like me, I mean, I wear stuff that is this high, and I had to wear stuff that was long, and it was crazy. It was nice. But Dubai is a place that, you know, you think you've seen it all. You've been to Europe, you've been to the US, you've been to Canada, and then when you reach Dubai now, it's like everything 10 times bigger. The highways are like 7 lanes on one side, 7 lanes on the other side. Everything is just ginormous.
Wow.
Yeah, really nice.
Boy, bring the wine, the waste my time. Come test my wine. I dare you. From front, behind, boy, I don't mind. Come test my wine. I dare you. All night you watching me in the party bar, and every time I wine you watching my bubsy bar. And you're looking positive every time I say, well, I know you really want to jam up on me. Well, tonight I'm in the mood. I want to wine and be a mood. So anything you want to do, I let you. Yes, tonight I'm in the mood. I want to wine and be a mood. So
Use hashtag StartItCarnival. Blink B Mobile. Start it.